Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you the easy way to transfer data from Android to Android. If you are using Android phones and now you want to transfer your data, so let's see how can you do this. There's the most easiest way. You just have to install Easy Share in your phone. First of all, you will get it, but if you can't get it, you just can easily install it from Play Store. Open Play Store, go for search, and here just search for Easy Share and install this app. As I have already installed in both phones, just open it, and here just select file transfer in this both phones. Now I'm going to send files from this phone and receive from this phone, so just select that, and here just wait for this phone to scan the second phone. You can easily use QR code. Just tap on this icon to get the QR code, and then tap on this option that is scan to connect to scan the QR code. But I'm going to connect with just tapping on the device name. So after that it will be connected. You just have to select allow from here, so just wait for it, and here just tap on allow, and after that the both devices will be connected just like that. You just have to select the data which you want to send. As I'm going to select some photos, just select, then select send to send the data. So in this way you can easily transfer data from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.